Dr. Kanate, welcome to Pilsen. We are happy to see you again here. And please, if you can tell us a few words about why is it so important to collaborate between Pilsen and JIMA, and why maybe our students should visit Ethiopia or Africa in general. Why should they?
Thank you for having me here, Jan. I'm now in Pilsen, a beautiful city. So JIMA University and the University of West Bohemia have a strong relationship since 2013. Starting from that, actually, the first collaboration was with the College of Social Science and Humanities of JIMA University and the Faculty of Arts in the University of West Bohemia. So far, we have had a lot of collaborations and staff mobility. Now I think our collaboration has been expanded, and it included the JIMA Institute of Technology with 2 faculties involved in it, the Mechanical Engineering and the newly emerging Academy, Aerospace Engineering. So we are here now. And last time, the president of JIMA University, Dr. Jamal, visited the University of West Bohemia, and he met with the rector of the University of West Bohemia to discuss further collaborations actually in these areas and including other faculties. It was a very productive discussion, and our collaboration will be strengthened. Ethiopia is a land of origin, as everybody knows, and it is located in a very strategic position. It's very close to the Middle East, and we are now in the faculty or in the Department of Middle East Studies. So there are students who are planning to come to JIMA University in February 2026. They have to know something about Ethiopia, the culture, the language, and everything. So the collaboration includes student mobility, it means. So that's why we are welcoming the students to JIMA University next time.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.